God.
You twat, you idiot. Stand there on the red light, you dick. He crosses on the green.
Indoor marketplace.
What is those?
You stupid twat. You're going on YouTube.
Good sir, you super chatted that way before the show even started. We even brought it up, so good for you. Credit to Tyler from.
What the?
I wanted to be first, and crying emojis. Well, you know, you try your best. Yeah, them all.
Come back tomorrow. You can have.
You f***ing idiot.
Doubles together. They've shared the odd dinner together. I think Yannick's made Jackson pasta. Both my boys out there. I think they're doing all right with that. So probably not.
Fingers crossed for Sunday. Nikki Draper. Thank
you, Gary.
What a fascinating insight. Yannick's in there making him pasta.
Oh my god.
And onto Eastgate and the High Street.
Okay, fella. It's a long queue. I wouldn't have bothered, but you do you. Ta-da! Whoa!
Someone's in the wrong line. That's it.
That was
red
it.
light.
So not only was he in the wrong lane, because that Astra was like 4 cars behind me. In fairness, the white BMW was 2 cars behind me also. He pushed in, but whatever. Not only the Astra, wrong lane, but also red light.
Crash. Traffic's kind of non-existent. Do you think it was?
Sorry?
Do you think it was red? Ta-da! Robin Hood Dashcam, red light runner.
That was red.
Another one.
Another whap.
Another one for the dash cam.
Del mar, bonito es el día que acaba de empezar, quita la vida.
This sort of stuff. Are you on the phone or is there someone in front of you?
Come on. No. It's on the phone, of course.
It's not a lane, it's a merging turn. It's not a lane.
It is now.
Well, to turn right.
V20 GPY.
Come on.
Even more dickheads.
Oh, for f***'s sake. Why can't they just carry on to the next channel? What the f***?
If you
Idiots!
EO24 XTP!
Idiots!
EO24 XTP!
Crossing, literally 20 foot. Never mind. You spend all this money, put these crossings in, but people don't use them.
Whoops.
Interesting space. Is that parked? That Lancia's parked. It's got a blue badge in it. It's got a blue badge and everything, but no, that's parked. Bloody hell. Alright, fair enough. Not that that's probably one of the worst parkings I've seen in Sherwood, but yeah.
Sierra XR4 and a PG Cruiser. Some Americana here, a Dodge Viper.
Have you found my car?
Yeah, Dodge Viper. And another Dodge, this time it's a Charger RT. Be-winged as well. And another Mustang. Somewhat modified with scissor doors. And somewhere here we have a rather modified Reliant Robin. Rather nice. Alpha spider. Not a great deal of these left. Largely because rust took them.
What are you doing? Are you helping yourself to a free bin? I'll come to the local dump to dump your stuff and pick up other people's stuff. It's an exchange, I think.
I think that lorry's seen some better days.